Here, let's see, we got the booster for a Ford, looks like a Ford to me. Disc brake set. Yep, Ford Mustang Cougar disc brake changeover, $300 with the proportioning valve. Gotta have that, folks, you really do. Nice distributor, $85 for a 302 or a 289. High performance, 69 Mustang grill. You're gonna die when you hear this. $85. Looks like a Mustang 73, yep, 73 Mustang grill for $85. Where are you, folks? 289 air cleaner, $95. And I've got a 5.7 plastic distributor, $50. Probably referring to the gear drive. 69 Mustang left headlight assembly for $150. Tons of tools, and of course tailgates. This is great. 150, 175. Dodge is 150. Chevy's 110. Nissan is 110. Geez, this is great. Absolutely great. If you need it, here it is. 125. Newer ones are 300 with the locking. Nice. Got Ford over here. I'm going to go back to the earlier Fords just for yucks and giggles. 87 through 96. 140 on that. 135 on that one. Oh, that's from Coons Ford. We know them. 125 on that Ford. Great stuff, folks. Great stuff. Keep exploring. This is just the outside. There's a whole building inside, which is fantastic. That's a Bill Mitchell 650 alcohol carb for $750. Come on. Wow, $850 on this one. That's the Gary, what is that? Gary 1050, Gary Williams carb, $850. I'm doing good. All 5 pieces, $550. Nice. We got some good racing bits here, folks. Smith Conrods. Nice push rods. Illuminati cam, 722 lift, 175. And the Ultradyne cam, 710 lift, 175. I mean, how can you go wrong? How can you go wrong? Got to come down here with tons of cash, right?
Yeah, right.
Just hand it to you. That's it. You're hardcore racing here. I like this.
Oh, yeah.
This is great. Absolutely great. Cleaning out the garage?
Yep.
Yeah.
Done.
Good. Once in a while you got retired, but you know you're going to get back into it. Some kid's going to come over.
I got a street ride.
Oh, okay. With air conditioning and
Air
automatic.
conditioning, power window.
Yep. What do you run? What is it?
I got one.
37.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Switch to a Ford, did you? Huh? Switch to a Ford, did you?
Yeah, but ask him what's under the hood.
Motor in it, does it?
Yeah. You can't get rid of this GM stuff. I love it. 110 for that crossover reaction time delay model CO1. That's for timing. I mean, this is hardcore racing stuff, folks. Absolutely hardcore racing. $70 for that Moroso water pump. Wow. And that's a high capacity. Let's continue on and see what else we could find. Dodge Dart. $50 for that grill. Oh, I love the cowl. That might be Mercury, or Fairlane. Gotta ask, 71, 73 Mustang or Cougar. Trunk for 440. No, 140. That's better. That's better. That Dodge grill is $65. See what other cool stuff we've got here. $100 on the dash pad. Center console, pardon me. $140 on that center console. Just lots of great stuff. Some Mopar over here. There's that Duster tail light, and then the Cornet taillight. Jeez. Great stuff. Fire extinguisher locking cabinet, which makes no sense whatsoever. Hey, let's lock the fire extinguisher. When we need it, go look for the key. Boy, you could get it all here, I'm telling you. And this is just the outside, and it's an abbreviated because of the wind and the rain this morning. We got Mustang and Mopar over here, 68 through 69 B body. What are those? Oh, those are your seat tracks. Okay, very good. They rotted out. I've got 71 to 73 Mustang lower control arms, Mopar A body, $100 for the rear brakes. Heat outboard motor. Rims and tires, folks. Rims and tires. Some cool stuff. Gasket sets, ring gears. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. I'll get you the show in a minute. I gotta get the name right, so I don't want to mess it up, like I always do. You know I always do. So I'm gonna put it at the bottom. But in the meantime, for more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.